Do this every day to get your vision back. Naturally improve eyesight. Fast sounds like a tall order. But stick with me, because what I'm about to share could really change the way you see the world, literally. If you've been struggling with blurry vision, strained eyes, or feel like you're constantly squinting, you might think the only solution is glasses or contacts. But what if I told you there's a way to naturally improve your eyesight by simply incorporating a few habits into your daily routine? First up, eye exercises. Just like you stretch your muscles before a workout, your eyes benefit from regular movement. One of the best exercises is the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen and focus on something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This simple trick can reduce eye strain significantly, especially if you're glued to a screen all day. Next, try the palming technique. Rub your hands together to generate heat, then gently place your palms over your closed eyes. Hold this position for a couple of minutes while breathing deeply. This helps to relax the eye muscles and reduce stress, both of which can help improve your vision over time. Blink more often. It sounds obvious, but many of us, especially when using screens, forget to blink as frequently as we should. Blinking lubricates the eyes and helps keep them moist, preventing dryness and irritation, both of which can negatively affect vision. Now let's talk about food for your eyes. You've heard it before, but I'll say it again, carrots are your best friend. They're packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, crucial for maintaining healthy vision. But don't stop there. Load up on leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the eyes from harmful light exposure. In fact, they act like a natural sunblock for your eyes. Then there's blueberries, tiny but mighty. These berries are full of antioxidants, especially vitamin C, that can help reduce the risk of cataracts and other age-related vision issues. Plus, they're delicious, so adding them to your diet is a win-win. Rest your eyes. If you spend hours reading, working on the computer, or staring at your phone, your eyes need regular breaks. The Bates method, created by Dr. William Bates, suggests taking time every day to close your eyes for several minutes and let them completely relax. This can help reduce tension and improve blood circulation to the eyes, which in turn enhances your vision. Don't underestimate the power of hydration. Keeping your body well hydrated ensures that your eyes produce enough tears to keep them moist and healthy. Dry eyes can lead to blurry vision, so make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. One of the most overlooked habits: getting enough sleep. Your eyes need rest, just like the rest of your body. Sleep allows your eyes to repair themselves from the strain they've been under all day. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of good quality sleep every night to give your eyes the break they deserve. Another secret? Limit your screen time or use blue light blocking glasses. These help protect your eyes from the harmful effects of blue light, which can cause long-term damage. Plus, adjusting the brightness of your screens and using night mode can reduce the strain on your eyes significantly. Lastly, make sure you're getting enough omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are found in foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. They help keep the blood vessels in your eyes healthy and reduce the risk of age-related vision problems like macular degeneration. So, there you have it, a daily routine that can naturally improve your eyesight and help you get your vision back fast. Incorporate these habits into your life, and you'll be amazed at how much sharper and clearer everything looks. Before you leave, don't forget to check out our previous videos for more expert tips on boosting your overall health and well-being. Your eyes and your body will thank you for it.